All right, Pang and I have stopped at a Mr. DIY. We're gonna get some things. We're in the countryside of Thailand. Obviously, the roads are still being developed. Pretty cool. It's amazing you can still find roads in Thailand that haven't been developed yet, as far as street-wise. Beautiful day, hot, man. It's pretty warm. There's Mrs. Tivy in the truck. Mrs. Tivy in the truck. Okay, I'm gonna stop in here at DIY and get some window cleaner. See it?
His Facebook page.
Oh, okay.
วันนี้เรามาเยี่ยมแคมปิ้งสโตร์นะคะคือพักดาที่เกิดขึ้นขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับผม
ได้ของไป3-4 ชิ้น
Hey you guys, what's up? This is Traveling Tiv. We are kind of settled in our spot here in the national park. We came down off the mountain. We were like 28 to 30 kilometers way up the mountain. We came down to the bottom. There's a waterfall. So there's a nice cascade of water running right in front of us. So it kind of drowns out the noises, snoring, people talking. So tonight, Pang is actually camping out with a hammock. So she's hammock camping tonight, babe? So she's really excited about that. We are in a rocky environment. I mean, there's rocks over here, rocks over there. We're actually sitting on top of a rock with a lot of dirt. So
second time hammock.
yeah, it's her second time hammock camping. So I didn't tell her anything. She wanted to do it herself, so I let her do it herself. But there's no one around us. Now, there are people across the other side of the river. To my right and over to the left, there's people all down there. But they can't camp or there's nowhere to put a tent. So, but perfect place for a hammock. So this is our spot. We got some nice ambient light coming down from the mountain side. And the river is running right back there. It's coming down. So I'm going to be hammock camping right here, and Pang is going to be right there. There's some thick, big mosquitoes, man. They're like small birds, and they are like, whoa. So I've been fighting with those the last half hour. We're all showered up, washed up. I hadn't had a shower in 3 days, and man, it was so good to get in the river. And cool off. These things are huge, and they're quick. We call these the jungle mosquitoes. They're big black mosquitoes. I mean big ones. And it was very refreshing in the water. Man, it's cold water, but we're excited. I think we might stay 2 nights here, not sure. We're gonna have steak tonight. Steak and rice.
Steak. Rice over there. We have some rice.
Oh, sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
So we're gonna have steak and sticky rice. So that's and some AI. I mean A1 steak sauce.
you speak like me. I sauce.
And you're not supposed to have beer in National Park. Cheers. So, perfect spot. Excited. All right, you guys. Hope you're enjoying the video.
We feel like we are only us around here.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Feel all alone.
It's blocked by a big rock. We can't see anybody.
Can't see anyone.
Besides
Got a rock over here. Let me see if you can see this rock over here. So there's a big rock right there, all that over there, and you got that big rock right there. So kind of excited. We spent 3 days up in the top of the mountain, cold. It was 16 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. I would assume it's probably around, I'm guessing around 60. Yeah, 60 degrees. So, but here it's kind of warm, but we have the sound of the river, and we have a little bit of cool air coming around, and so yeah, we're gonna have a good night. All right, so I hope you guys are enjoying this so far, and please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. This helps me a lot in order for me to do what I need to do and provide these videos. Pang and I are traveling all over Thailand, and we're going to spend all of November doing camping, and we're heading to Chiang Mai. So wish us luck, and stick around. All right. Pang and I are getting ready to go to bed. It's 9:20. So everybody's kind of quieting down. I gotta get situated, and I got ants on my feet. I'm gonna get situated in the hammock. There's still mosquitoes out, and but yeah, I'm all ready to go. So all right, we'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Hey, good morning everyone. Traveling Tiv. It's our first overnight here at the waterfall. And really nice camp area. Wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold, it's just right. No humidity whatsoever, so that's good. Even being around all this water, there wasn't much humidity at all. But yeah, we're gonna later on go see the big waterfall that everybody comes to see. All right, my wife makes my favorite, which is Packer Pao Kai Dao. It's homemade. She made it herself. I have 2 eggs in there. Thank you, babe. Looks delicious. She worked really hard on it. What's up, everybody? It's getting dark. It's about 6:35. It gets dark around almost 7 o'clock. This is gonna be our last night, and then we're gonna be heading on towards Chiang Mai. We're gonna be heading north. So Pang has picked out another spot for us. So it's, I don't know what it looks like. I know it's just on the side of a mountain where it's very windy and cold, so we'll see what happens. But we had a wonderful, I would say, late lunch, and I'm so full I'm not gonna eat. So Pang's making some hot chocolate right now, and we're gonna have that before we settle on down and sleep for the night. I'm kind of sleepy. I've been up early. I didn't sleep good last night. Tomorrow morning we're gonna get up and go to the waterfall and watch that. So look at that. And they're gonna be heading out. We'll see you in the morning. All right, you guys.
Good morning. It's like, I think it's like 6 in the morning. Slept pretty good. Got a little chilly. It's chilly right now. Oh, we gotta get up early. We're gonna leave. So we gotta pack up. But we'll see you on the road. Good morning. Have a good day.
Good morning, you guys. Pang and I are going to take a nature walk on our last day here. So we're going to go see the waterfall, and then after that we're going to probably grab something to eat, some coffee, and then head out. So we got about 300-kilometer drive, probably about 4 hours or more.
Yeah.
And then to our next destination. We're going to, where are we going?
Mulai Mountain in Myanmar.
Myanmar. So we're actually going to the border of Myanmar. Actually, we're going into Myanmar.
Yeah.
And border of Thailand. So it'll be my first time going to Myanmar.
Many times. Many times.
Well, you live here.
Yeah, just cross by the border.
Yeah. We're going to do that and spend one night on top of a mountain, which is, they say it's very cold, like 8 to 9 degrees Celsius. And you have to rent their tents unless you bring your own. But we only brought one, And the only stipulation is that you have to sleep apart. You can't sleep together. It's a holy mountain. So she has to have a tent, and I have to have a tent.
We cannot kiss. We cannot hold hand. We cannot sleep together.
Yeah, well, we don't do that anyway, so it's all good.